gonna go hang out for the beach. Go hang out at the beach for a little bit. I think the storm's coming. Get on the water before it starts raining. Obviously you can see the most beautiful water is on the other side of the barrier here, like always, but everything's gonna be fine. So this day was bad with seaweed, but there was a big storm that we had the previous night. So the other days that we were there, the seaweed was not that bad at all, and some days there was none, so it just depends on the days. As you can see in the video, if you go past the barrier where they keep all the the seaweed from going to the beach, it is so much prettier. You do have to swim out there or walk out there, but trust me, it's so worth it. Right here, how far away I am from the coast? I don't think at my waist. And the water here is crystal clear. Up everyone, so we are at our pool side. This is room 3101, and we're on the edge of the swim out pools, which is very nice because it's more private. We don't have any neighbors to the left, but yeah, this is a good room. And I'll show you why. The bar's right there. We don't even have to leave. So this is 3101. What, this is what, building like 34? So it's cool. It's a very nice room. And like I said, if you have a swimming pool in this section, you can literally just walk right there and they can make you a drink without you having to leave your pool. So starting to drizzle, getting windy. People are getting out of the pool, but yeah, we're watching Kill Tony. Can't beat it. And with the mojito, salud.
Drinking that Dominican water.
All right, so we're gonna go to dinner at what is it? Ocean View? Ocean Grill?
Seaside.
No, Seaside Grill. We're gonna meet some friends. Well, some new friends that we met. They're from the UK. We've had great conversations since we've been here, and then yeah, we're gonna hang out with them. Tomorrow's our last day, full day, so we're gonna have dinner with them. Yeah, really nice. So we're gonna love it. So right here, Seaside Grill. Very nice. after dinner with our friends. We hung out by the poolside bar for a few more. They decided to call it early night, and we went to the main bar upstairs for a few more and to enjoy the rest of the night. I hope you enjoyed the video, and look at our pool view. You can't beat that. Stay tuned for a couple more.